$3 oh. Ayan. Oo nga, pang bulalo. Ayan. And this one. Oh, wow. This is only $28, guys. Yeah. Masarap ako magbulalo. Yeah. Everything is meter. I think their price there is cheaper. Chicken wings. Yeah, $13. So, Sam's Club is $5 only. Malami na yun. I think beef nila dito ang mas mura.
Yung beef nila?
Oo. Ang beef. Naghahanap tayo ng ano guys. Like, yeah. Like for steak, we are here at Fresh Market. Steak nila guys. I think it's cheaper there. Yeah, like this is 11 for 3 already. Yeah. It's 3. Tayo ng mga smoke guys. This is a big head, oh. This so yummy.
Ito yung malapad ng isda, itong masarap.
Pag ano? Pag sinigang?
Hindi. Iluto na mayroong...
Ito gusto ko. $1.99 lang.
Oo.
Ayan, dyan. Ulo na lang tayo guys. Mahal ang laman.
Ayun na pati isda, oh. Saka yung inuhuli ni Paul, oh. Ayun ang inuhuli ni Paul doon sa amin.
Parang ganun din yung price na doon sa ano? Sa Asian store.
Parehas lang din.
Oo, parang parehas lang.
Mas malapit nga lang dito.
Oo, dito na lang tayo. Tingnan mo yung head guys.
Bili ka ng head. Dito tayong sinigang.
A few moments later.
Ito tayo guys. Ito naman tayo sa fresh frozen. Ayan. Ito yung mga ano nila
Jen!
I'm sorry. What was that? Naghanap kami ng lumpia wrapper guys, so I don't think so. Mga drinks nila dito. Price nila.
A few moments later.
Yes, sarap ng mga pagkain guys. So, like, ano, each order is just $8. $8. Ayan. Saan gusto nyo dyan? Pili lang kayo. They're so yummy, and this one is a spaghetti, probably. All the way down there. There's two. Yan, each order is $8. Yum yum. Ito ang lalaki ng gabi nila. Oh, they're so big. Yan. Look at that. Ha? Tingnan mo yung phone mo. Yan, tapos itong kamuti. Bisol, guys. May puti. They're sweet potato, guys. They're big. Yeah. And the biggest avocado in the world. Yeah. The biggest one. Ang lalaki. Yeah. Lang sayang. Under papaya, guys. Masarap yung akin. Fresh talaga siya. Dito malalaki.